This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Cardano today. Cardano was setting up as a long today on my trading system based off the Camarilla pivots here. We'll go here. Actually, let's put my charts into perspective. This is a candlestick pattern, or this is a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars that you see are volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator, and down here this is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4, and this is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you see here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 5-minute chart. I only use this for entries. This is the 15-minute chart. This is my main trading chart. This is where I get, this is where I decide market structure and my stop loss. This is the hourly chart. The main thing I do with this is make a determination of overall strength or weakness. So I'll walk you through what I was seeing here this morning on Cardano. So first of all here, Cardano price action went above this R4 level. Based on my trading system, anytime price action goes above this R4 level, works as a potential long, depending if everything else works out. We can see some elevated volume profile here, not too much. Trading above the 200 EMA, so I would classify it as strong. Here on the slow stochastic in an overbought condition, so it could be aggressive buying or a potential trend reversal. And we have buyer momentum with the MACD trading above the average here on the 60-minute. On the 15-minute here, I'll walk you through my first entry. So this first entry here at the R4 level, this was a FOMO entry here. Price broke above the R4 level and had quite a bit of strength, as we can see here. These overbought conditions and aggressive buying, buyer momentum, MACD above the average here. So I chased this, definitely FOMO here. You want to wait for pullback. I did not. Wound up getting stopped out right here in this candle. So this was the first trade. Not my best. Then I take another entry here with pullback with the stop right below this level here, which coincides with this level here on the 60. So with this entry, able to get a better risk to reward. And we can see here this entry, we actually get some more buying. Let's check here and see if we got a break of structure here on this this candle with the high wick. So this is 7659. And then this is 7658. So there's no break of structure here for continuation, and then we sell off. And then here, here on the 15 here, I exit right here when we get this break of structure here on the 60-minute. So structure, this change of character here when the 60 level, the level on the 60 was broken to the downside. So that's where my stop loss was, and that's where I got out. And you can see a little more definition here on the 5-minute. We can also see here on the 5-minute. Once this failed up here, we basically have consolidation here in this range. This is the R4 level. Here, this is the R3 level. And we're basically, Cardano is consolidating in this range. We can see here above the 200. We can see here above the 200 EMA, and then we can see Cardano here losing the 200 EMA, and now closing below this R3 level. So definitely showing weakness. We've got volume coming in on this sell candle here. We have overbought conditions, so either aggressive selling or could be a potential some buying coming up with the oversold conditions. Sellers with some momentum in the MACD here trading below the average. So this was my trade on Cardano today, and this is on tilt trading. Actually, we'll come up. Let's see some numbers on Cardano. So this is these are my tickets for today. We can see with Cardano, this was my first entry here at 512. Then my first stop out here at 654, and this was for around about 57 cents, let's say. And then here's my second entry here at 657, so 3 minutes later, when I got the more appropriate risk to reward. And then we can see here at 1603, so all day hold. And then with the different risk to reward here, stopping out here for maybe around about 39 cents or so. And the rest you can see this is me over trading Cosmos here, and finally getting the idea here with this last trade where I just exit early with about a 8-cent loss. So we'll also take a quick look at Litecoin, which I'm currently in here. So I'll do a video on this later, but just wanted to show my last position that I have going, which we'll see how this goes. But this is my position right now on Litecoin. 50-cent risk, just like on the other two currency pairs, Cosmos and Cardano. Currently right now up maybe around about 40, or at least it's showing like 35 cents right now. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe it can make up some of the difference from some of the other small losses, or it may fail. Everything's been struggling a bit today to go long or short today. So seems like definitely a consolidation day, and we'll see how things pick up here. But this was my trade on Cardano today, and this is on Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.